Hello, today I teach you exercise 1 and exercise 2 of unit 2.1 reading comprehension of English of class 9 new course. Unit 2 is role model. Exercise 1 A. There are two questions in exercise 1. How many aspects of Shah Latif's life have been covered in the text? When you will read this text, which is about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, the question asks us how many aspects of Shah Abdul Latif's life have been covered in this text. When you read the text, you will see that there are total 7 aspects of Shah Abdul Latif's life which have been covered in this text. So the answer of this question will be 7 aspects of Shah Abdul Latif's life have been covered in the text. Which are these 7 aspects? Now let's see question 2b. List all these aspects in your notebook. The first aspect is about his background and family. You will see here, this is the first aspect of life, background and family. And now, the second aspect is about the name Bhittai. About the name Bhittai. About the name Bhittai. And now the third aspect is about early life and education. The third aspect is about his early life and education. Is about his early life and education. And now the fourth aspect is about his youth. The fourth aspect is about his youth. Is about his youth. Number 5. Spiritual growth. The fifth aspect is about his spiritual growth. Number 6. Death and remembrance. The sixth aspect is about is about his death and remembrance. Death and remembrance. Death and remembrance. Number 7th. Shah Latif's poetry. The 7th aspect is about Shah Latif's poetry. Dear students, these are the 7 aspects of Shah Latif's lives which have been covered in this unit, in this text. Now, what are these 7 aspects? They are background and a family. Second aspect, the name Bhitai. Third aspect, early life and education. Fourth aspect, youth. Fifth aspect, spiritual growth. Sixth aspect, death and remembrance. And seventh aspect, Shah Latif's poetry. These are the 7 aspects of Shah Latif's life which have been covered in the text. Now we do exercise 2, vocabulary. Exercise 2. The words given in bold below have been taken from the text. Look up these words in the text and underline them. There are total 10 sentences in which words in bold text have been given. You have to find out these bold words in the text and underline them. Now next, do the following exercise. After underlining these bold letters in the text, you will have to do this exercise. Do the following exercise. Underline the correct answers from the choices provided. The first one has been done as an example. Number 1. Those who have an abundance wealth have let me write the first one which has already been done in the book. Those who have an abundance of wealth this is a bold word of wealth have there are 3 choices: a little wealth, B. A lot of wealth. Number C. Some wealth. Correct answer is choice B. A lot of wealth. This is correct answer. Now I tell you the rest sentences. Number 2. My family's ancestral roots are in Sindh. Means my parents, grandparents and great grandparents have lived in Sindh since. Now 3 choices. A. My grandparents got married. B. My birth. C. Many generations. The correct option is choice C. Many generations. Ancestral roots means many generations. Number 3. The new academic year commences in our school in April. Now 3 choices. A. Ends. B. Progresses. C. Begins. The correct option is choice C. Begins. Commences means begins. Number 4. The devotees of some saints walk to shrines barefoot. Devotees, bold letters word is devotees. Choices. Children. B. Followers. C. Caretakers. The correct option is option B. Followers. Devotees means followers. Number 5. Many people go to mystic, MYSTIC, it is bold letters word, to ask for the fulfillment of their wishes. Options. A. Persons who lives alone. B. New person. C. Person with spiritual power. Mystic means correct option is C. Person with spiritual power. Mystic means a person with spiritual power. Now 6. The sailors of Sindh, SAILORS, sailors of Sindh, used to travel to far off lands as they got good navigation skills. Navigation is bold letters word. NAVIGATION, navigations. Now options. A. Shipping, directing. B. Engineering. C. Swimming. Correct option is ship directing. A. Option A. Ship directing. Number 7. For centuries, the many medium of transfer of information was oral traditions. Border letters words are oral traditions. Now options. A. Horses. B. Passing of information by word of mouth. C. Messages. Correct option is B. The oral traditions means passing of information by word of mouth. Now 8. My brother is a restless person, always looking for new things to do. Restless is a bold letters word. Restless person. RESTLESS. Restless person. Now options. A. Genius. B. Different. C. Change seeking. Correct option is A. Genius. Genius person. Restless person means genius person. Number 9. Truly great persons deserve reverence as they play a positive role in our lives. Reverence is a bold letters word. REVERENCE. Reverence. Now options. A. Richness and wealth. B. Leadership positions. C. Respect and admiration. Correct option is C. Respect and admiration. Reverence means respect and admiration. Last 10. Islam's message of peace is universal. Universal is bold letters word. As without it, there can be no happiness. Now options. Good. B. Applicable to all the people in the world. C. Acceptable. Universal means, correct option is B. Universal means applicable to all the people in the world. These were the 10 sentences I have done verbally. Thank you very much.